So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to concatenate the two strings within the FH programming language. So for it, first of all, we have to declare two string variables, and we know that in a FH we need to write the let keyword in order to declare a variable. So we will write let and then a is equal to anything like a good. Now you must know that everything within these double quotes, it is called as the string within the programming languages. And when it is when there is an equal sign, you can see an equal sign, it means that this thing, that is good string, or this string type data is stored inside this variable a. And why a is declared as a variable? Because of this let keyword. And this variable, you can say that it is a specified memory location, okay, with the name a. Now we will write let b is equal to good day, good and day. Now these are our two string variables, that is a and b. Now we will declare third variable with let s is equal to, or let's say let c is equal to a plus b. Okay, now this is our concatenation operator, which is represented by this plus sign. It will join two strings and then store them inside this variable c, which is of string data type. Okay, then we will write printf, again double quotes, and we will write %s. Why it is so? Because our data which we need to print is in the form of string data type. So printf, it is a function, or you can say that a specified method with the help of which we can print any data within any variable on the console window. And what if the data is of decimal type or integer type, then we need to write %d. And if it is any string type, then we can say that it is %s. Now what sort of data inside C will be printed on the console window? And after this is done, we need to write system.console.read key. Okay, the last line is just to hold the output window, okay, and nothing else. So we are not going into the technicalities, so ignore. Okay, so now we will run it out, and we can see that our two strings are concatenated or joined. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.